Okay, y'all, so I wanted to just pop on here really quick. I am at one of my nurseries, okay? They ain't got much out here for us fall vegetables in this area. She told me that in about a week they'll have some more stuff that'll be ready to come out, okay? But I wanted to show y'all things are a little cheaper at the nurseries. These are $2, no tax, for a 4-pack, okay? So this stuff is already established, so if you getting late on it, check your nurseries, okay? Check your garden nurseries. Now, I got a lot of collards in my yard, but I got a lot of buckets since I'm doing in-ground that's going to be available. Look at these right here. These are nice and established. They is a lot better from the big box store like Home Depot and Lowe's, where they really ain't got time to care for. You got people that work there that's in the garden center that don't know nothing about gardening. Okay, look at these right here. So I am going to get, and my Swiss chards, y'all know I love Swiss chards. I'm gonna get this whole pallet. They $2 for 4-pack. So I got 2, 4, 6, 8 of those. I'm gonna get those. And then I just can't pass up how good these collards look right here. So they gonna be $2 for this. So I am gonna get these and get these in the ground, okay? So because I plan on being out there all day. So I wanted to just give y'all a tip. Check y'all nurseries. If you're getting late on dropping seeds, check your nurseries. Get you some starts while they cheap. And go ahead and get your garden together, okay? Greens, brassicas, things like that is what you need to be planting now.